Denisha, Heidi, and Kiara are here. We're going to walk through a problem that actually has two ways of solving. So this one says to simplify. We have a binomial and a trinomial, meaning I have 2 terms and 3 terms. And Kiara likes the method of the box method to solve this. Heidi likes the distributing, similar to foiling. So we're going to work through both of them. We're going to start with the box method. So if you like box, pay attention. If you like distributing, a kind of foiling type, then maybe you could fast forward to Heidi's part that she does.
Okay, so being that it's a binomial times a trinomial, this side's going to have 2 squares, and this is going to have 3. So we're going to take our first equation, the x will go here, negative 10 will go here, and then in the next, 2x squared, negative x, and then 3. So even if there's no exponent, it's automatically going to be a 1, so that's going to be 2x to the 3rd power.
Perfect.
And then x times negative x is going to be negative x squared. And then x times 3 is just going to be 3x. Negative 10 times 2x squared is going to be negative 20x squared. Negative 10 times negative x is going to be a positive 10x because the negatives will cancel out and make a positive. And then negative 10 times 3 is going to be negative 30. And then I like to write them all out.
Perfect.
Okay, and then we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to stay with the 2x to the 3rd power. And then we're going to take our negative x squared, and we have another x squared right here. So that's going to turn into a negative 21x squared. And we're going to cross these out. And then we have another x, so we're going to combine those to make a 13x. And then our last is just a regular number, no exponent, and then that's going to be at the end. So our answer is A.
Perfect. All right, so that was with the box method. We're going to bring in Heidi. She's going to do the distributing method. So we're going to show you one more time. If you like distributing, which is similar to foiling, you typically do with 2 binomials, but she's got this one, same one, and she's going to show you that you get the same answer doing this method.
Okay, so what you're going to do is, I always start with the first number. You're going to start with the x, and you're just going to distribute to the 2x, and 2x squared and x is going to give you 2x to the 3rd, then x to negative x is going to be negative x squared.
Good.
Then x again to 3 is going to be positive 3x. Then we're done with the x, so we're going to go to 10. So negative 10 to 2x squared is going to be negative 20x squared.
Perfect, and I like how she brought in that negative 10. That's really tricky to distribute the negative.
And then negative 10 to negative x is going to be positive 10x because the negatives cancel out, so it'll be positive 10x. Then 10 to the 3 is going to be negative 30. Then you need to combine your like terms, so there is no 1 with the power to the 3, so you'll just rewrite that, and I'll cross it out. There's negative 2x and negative 20x, which will be negative 21x squared because they are both squared, so I'll cross those out. Then 3x and 10x are alike, so you will add them, and it'll be positive 13x, and then there is no other number with there's no other variable with the 30, so it'll just be negative 30.
There you go. Awesome. So go back and try the same one using whichever method you like better.